As fine dust has settled into the fabric of daily life, air purifiers are increasingly present in homes and schools. But does using an air purifier actually result in cleaner air? If that is confirmed, could the fine dust problem be mitigated by deploying air purifiers across a city at scale? How do air purifiers clean the air? Air purifiers are devices that draw in air, remove pollutants, and release the cleaned air back out. Their mechanisms are generally classified into mechanical filtration and electrostatic precipitation. Some devices further use added technologies, such as ultraviolet light or photocatalysts, designed to neutralize bacteria and certain types of gaseous pollution. The most widely used mechanical filtration method relies on HEPA filters. A HEPA filter efficiently collects very small particles floating in the air. It is made of densely packed fibers, and when dust in the air touches these fibers, it sticks to them. To address odors and gaseous pollutants, air purifiers rely on activated carbon filters. In simple terms, it works like a sponge, absorbing smells and keeping them contained within its structure. Another method, the electrostatic precipitation approach, gives dust particles in the air an electric charge and then attracts them to plates with the opposite charge. This method can be used on its own, but it is often combined with HEPA filters to reduce the burden on the filter. Can air purifiers solve the fine dust problem? Then, could installing air purifiers throughout an entire city solve the fine dust problem? The short answer is that air purifiers are only a partial solution. Cities contain far too much air for purifiers to handle. Moreover, fine dust is continuously produced by vehicle emissions, factories, and power plants. Rolling out air purifiers across a city would require significant numbers of large units, and when maintenance, power consumption, and filter costs are considered, overall cost-effectiveness would remain low. However, various technologies are being researched to overcome these limitations. Some countries are experimenting with large air purification towers to clean surrounding air, and studies are also underway to install special structures near roads that absorb fine dust. In addition, smart air management technologies, which use sensors to measure air quality and respond to heavily polluted areas, are gaining attention. Still, these technologies are in the development stage. To solve the fine dust problem, technological advances must be accompanied by efforts to reduce pollution sources, such as transitioning to eco-friendly energy and strengthening industrial emission regulations.